Today I'm at the airport because I'm on the way to Southeast Asia, where I'm going to be spending a month backpacking around different countries within Southeast Asia, starting with Vietnam. So I've just landed in Istanbul and it's midnight. My flight boards at 1:05 in the morning and I've got to get to the boarding before it closes. I don't know if I have to go through security again. I don't think I do. Although I know in some airports that you do have to go back through security, but I suppose we'll find out. It's fine. We're already through security. They just bypass it. Don't have to go through again. So that's quite handy, because I know when I was in Miami, and I mean, you can correct me if I'm wrong because I might have done something wrong, but I had to go back through security again. Luckily here I don't, because I don't really have time for it, and in 20 minutes the gate number comes up. They have a squatting toilet. Now, I've not been to Asia, so this is the first ever time I've used one of these and seen one in person, and it wasn't that bad. It's a bit strange, but it really is not that bad. I come to a B-day, so it's more hygienic, and I have a B-day at home, so I'm used to them, which is just much better than toilet. Hello. So I'm through passport control in Hanoi airport, and now I've got to go find a way to get to my hostel, which is in the city centre. I don't know if I'm going to get a taxi or take the bus, because the bus is like 2 hours, the taxi is like an hour. I've decided to get the bus to the city centre because, one, it'll save me money because it's like 5 times less. Also, it gives me a chance to actually see a bit of the countryside as we're driving to the city. I am off the bus now, and I do need to get another bus to get to the hostel, but I'm just walking down some of these streets to try and find a SIM card shop so that I have data whilst I'm here for a month, because you can buy them from the airport and they're about $15, but I know that if you buy them in the city centre you're going to save a little bit of money and get a better deal, like data wise. Also, they didn't have the company that is the best company for travelling through Vietnam in the airport, which is Viettel, I believe. So that's where I'm headed right now, to a Viettel shop. I can tell you one thing, it is hectic in these streets, like absolutely crazy. There's just mopeds everywhere going in both directions. There doesn't seem to be like a side of the road to drive on, or any real order. And you've got people just on the side of the pavements, they're cooking food and selling stuff, like vendors. There's not really a lot of space to walk on. You kind of just have to walk and just hope you don't get hit, to be honest with you. It is crazy. I got my SIM card and I actually ended up paying an extra $1 than I would have at the airport, but I think I get more data, because at the airport the way it works, it was like you get so much 4G per day and then you get 3G for the rest of the day, whereas this is 4 gigabytes of 4G all day every day for 30 days, and it's also with the network that has the most coverage throughout the whole of Vietnam. So, you know, I feel like I got the better deal in the end. Now I'm just having like a little wander. Found this lake by the Viettel shop, and there's people playing music, as you can hear over there. And in a minute I suppose I'll go to the hostel and get checked in. I've met these people in Vietnam and they just wanted to interview me and ask me some questions.
Yeah.
Because they want to learn English and see where I'm from. So
hello.
What's everyone's names?
My name Leung.
Leung.
My name Chang.
Chang.
Yep. Nhung.
Nhung.
Nhung is my name.
Hùng. Hùng.
Yeah. And
Craig.
Craig. Craig.
Yeah.
Craig.
Can I give you a Vietnamese name?
Go, if you want to give me a Vietnamese name.
Long.
Long.
Long. The dragon.
Long. My Vietnamese name's Long.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Craig.
to meet you. Thank you. So that was crazy. I've literally been in like Hanoi city centre for about 20 minutes, and I had a group of people about my age come up to me, wanting to like ask me questions in English to, I don't know, practice their English, and they videoed it. I don't know if they put it on their social medias, but it was quite interesting, and they gave me a Vietnamese name, as you heard, but you know, people seem quite friendly. I've just been walking around a little bit, trying to get a feel of the country, or the city at least, and see what it's like around Hanoi. Now I'm getting the bus, so I'm waiting for the bus to get to the hostel, because it's like a 30-minute walk from here, and it's like 6 PM, it's getting a little bit late. I want to check in, get my bag in, get the weight off my shoulders, get some food, and just chill until later on, because the footy's on later, Liverpool versus Man United, so I'm gonna have to go find somewhere to watch that, because big game. So I've come out to the hostel, and I'm trying to find somewhere where I can watch the footy, like I mentioned earlier, and maybe grab something to eat, because I haven't eaten in a couple of hours since the flight, really. Yeah, I can't find anywhere to watch the footy, so I'm headed back to the hostel now so I can watch it on the laptop before it kicks off. And on the way, I just grabbed something to eat, which is this. I don't know what it is. It's in a bag. It's like a dumpling or something. I'm not entirely sure. The guy did say it had no milk, no egg, no meat. So he did agree that it was vegan. I don't know. I'm gonna be very, very dubious in the next couple of days, learning what I can eat and what I can't eat. But I suppose we can try it and see what it's like. I actually think it's a cake, not like a dumpling, not like a savoury thing. It smells quite sweet. It's not savoury, but it's not too sweet. I don't know what it is. I have no idea. And it's quite squishy too. You're not going to be able to see because it's quite dark, but I don't know, it's nice, I like it, but I have no idea what it is. Anyway, I'm going to finish this, head back to the hostel and end the video here. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you like the video, comment below what you think I should do whilst I'm here, smash the subscribe button, and as always, keep exploring. I ended up finding somewhere to watch the game in a pub close to my hostel. Oh, look at this. 5-0. 5-0. 5-0. United, man. Absolutely collapsed.